how to restore streak in Duolingo. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can restore your streak in Duolingo if you lose it. So Duolingo offers a feature called Streak Freeze that lets you get your streak back even after you miss a day, but it costs gems. So you'll need to go to the Duolingo app, and then you'll need to go to the gems option that is blue in color in the top of the home page. And then you can see streak freeze option. So make sure that you have streak freeze so that even if you miss a day of practice, Duolingo will automatically use your streak freeze. So if you don't have enough streak freeze, then you'll need to complete the daily quest, or you can even tap on refill and then buy the gems by paying some money. Like you can see 0.99 US dollars, 5.99 US dollars, and such. You'll need to pay with a credit card, or you can just swipe and then you can see streak shield option. You can tap on it and then you can get streak shield to protect your streak for 7 days if you are busy for the whole week. So these are some of the ways that you can restore your streak in Duolingo. But after you have completely lost your streak, then there is no option to repair the streak. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.